Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a link to a file in Microsoft Word. Now, all you have to do is simply click on Insert, and here you'll find links under links. Then go ahead and click on the link and choose the file or folder that you want from your computer. Now, one key important note is that this file is local. So, for example, if you want to share this file with someone, this may not be the right approach to take. And I'm going to show you the best way how to do that if you want to share the file with someone. But for yourself, let's say I want to use this document for myself and I want to remember, I can go ahead and select, for example, this file, this folder right here, and click on insert or OK. And it's going to basically have it. And if I hover over it, you can see the path that is on my PC. And it simply means that this will work only for me, but it will not work for someone else who have access to this document and not this PC. Now, what if you want to share the file with someone? The best way is to go to Object. Click on Object right here on the right hand side on the text. Click and create from file. Choose browse and find the file right here. And so you can go ahead and select whatever. So let's say I want to insert this test folder right here or this file right here, whatever. I can go ahead and select it, then click and open, then go ahead and choose, whatever link or whatever and click and OK. And that's it. Now I've added this in it. And that's pretty much it, guys. Very easy and very simple.